Welcome to step number 3, set up a get to display the information. Now this step is completely optional because what I'm going to do is I'm going to display um, this person's details to them before they can update it so they can see what they are updating. Now this is an optional step because it depends on you. If you want the end user to see their information before they update it, then this step is for you. However, if you don't really care, then you can skip this step, but I still think it's worth watching. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a get, and what that get is going to do is going to display that information. Now remember, the get is only reading the data, it's not updating anything. So even if they can read their data and they try to update it, nothing will happen. So all we're doing is displaying the data. So here's how it's done. I'll do this fairly quickly in this video because I'm going to set up a completely separate tutorial on the get functionality. So don't worry if this is if you don't get this part for now. It's not really a lot of relevance to this at the moment. So what you do is Salesforce integration. You will do a get. Remember, get is reading data from Salesforce. We'll add an object. The object will be contact. And I'm just going to add a comment here. This reads data from contact. And my condition is going to be my contact ID, which is my CRM field, equals my contact ID hidden field. That's my condition. Okay, and then I'm going to say map fields. My fields that I'm going to map are first name, last name, email, and then finally my two fields, which are the consent field, I consent, and I do not consent. That's pretty much it. And I'm going to click apply and finish. Now, in the previous video I showed you how to populate it via parameter. This is what we're going to do. So we're going to say, so remember, the field number is FLD163. It could be anything for you. It's really important to remember the number here. So FLD163, we're here. We're going to get rid of everything after the question mark. We're going to say FLD163 equals, and we're going to copy Joe Blogg's contact ID, go back into our form here, and then we are going to paste it. Then hit enter. And there you have it. These are his current details, right? And there is the contact ID that I just populated through a URL. Now, just as I said, just because you can display the data doesn't mean you can update it. So if I was to go ahead and amend something here, it will not work because I need to set up the push with the update action. So I will show you how that's done in the next coming videos. Thank you.